Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video might be a little bit shorter. I only have 4 jobs to share. We have like Walmart hiring though. We also have a job that is hiring someone to do email, website chat, so completely non-phone support. They are paying $1,500 upfront sign-on bonus, and I even have a high-paying customer support job that pays $25 to $28 an hour for those of you for the right price that don't mind being on the phone. So of course we're going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to quickly mention that if you're celebrating the upcoming holidays, Christmas, Hanukkah, those types of things, we are about 6 days out from that. So a lot of companies are going to start having people be taking off for vacation. HR departments are going to be on vacation, training departments, people who do the interviews and the hiring. So just know over the next week or so, we might not have quite as many great job leads pop up as we normally do, but they always seem to at the beginning of the year, kind of in January and February, kick back off. But I will be here sharing anything that I do come across. And with that being said, the first one is from a comment I had in the comment section. I seen a couple of comments looking for jobs for like nurses, people who have registered nursing degrees. I do just want to say with that, a lot of health insurance companies will hire nurses to work from home to kind of review medical records and clinical documentation, making decisions about if a patient's case is medical necessity and should be covered or not. So always be checking if you're a registered nurse, but you're kind of wanting to work from home and get out of that direct patient care with like insurance companies and things like that. And as always, if you have anything specific that you're looking for, I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for jobs to share. So always feel free to leave that in the comments of what you're looking for. But on the side of like the nursing, we have CVS Health hiring. Now, CVS Health probably needs no introduction. They have 45,000 reviews from past and current employees, and an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a utilization management nurse consultant. Now, this is going to be a remote work from home job, but they are specifically looking for somebody who can work a Monday through Friday schedule, either 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, because this CVS is out of Washington. So if you are outside of that time zone, you'll kind of have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they are really looking for somebody to utilize their clinical experience and skills to help process and assess plans, implement and coordinate and monitor evaluating options for the healthcare services and benefits of the CVS members. This means you're going to gather clinical information and apply the correct clinical criteria and guidelines through the policies and procedures, making a judgment about the coverage determination. Should the patient be covered for the things based on the clinical information, like the diagnosis and things like that. So you're going to communicate with doctors or other different parties, facility care, treatment places. And of course, you're going to be documenting all of this into the computer. So they are looking for somebody, because it's clinical information, that has 3 years experience as a registered nurse. And you do have to have a registered nurse license in the state that you live in your state of residence, with at least 1 year experience in some kind of acute or post-acute setting. Other than that, you've got to be able to navigate around a computer, use like the Microsoft Office systems, but pay for this positions anywhere from $32.01 an hour up to $68.55 an hour. Now, next up, we have Walmart hiring. Walmart, again, probably needs no introduction. They have 139,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a team manager for their contact center. Now, this is remote work from home, but their contact center, they're looking for somebody who can work kind of between 11:30 a.m. and 8 p.m. So somebody who can be flexible, working in kind of that hour space. Now, because you are a manager of the contact center, you're not a regular contact center representative. You're managing all of the representatives. They are kind of looking for somebody who has some kind of supervisory experience, if you've ever been like a team lead or anything like that. But they're really looking for somebody to manage the contact center operations, supporting their new initiatives, interpreting reports, assignments, tracking key metrics for the contact center. You will have to inform customers of different promotions, offers, or discounts that are going on at the time. And of course, because you're managing other staff, you're overseeing the daily staffing plans, making sure that the phones are scheduled as needed, making sure that you work with all the staff. And I'm sure this is going to also involve the HR piece of that staff, like signing off on their time cards, handling their paid time off, things like that. You're really guiding, coaching, conducting interviews, hiring the staff, all the things. You are basically their manager. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no college degree. You do have to have some kind of supervisory experience, and 1 year experience in retail or like a contact center operations are kind of a related field. Other than that, they want somebody who can just be customer focused, be a problem solver, a strategic thinker, and somebody who embraces diversity in all its kinds and forms. And pay for this position's anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $95,000 a year. Now, if you're looking for a non-phone work from home position, we have 1A Auto Parts hiring. They have 123 reviews with an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. And you do, when you get to this page, have to scroll down just a little bit, but they are hiring an email and website chat customer service representative. So this is going to be non-phone, working that little chat box that pops up on the side of the website or responding to emails. It is fully remote, but they are looking for somebody who can work 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. for weekdays, and then work a Saturday shift 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and that is every Saturday. So you wouldn't have any Saturdays off. You would have Saturday nights off though. So just make sure that that kind of works for you. But if it does, they're offering $1,500 upfront sign-on bonus. And of course, this is an auto parts store, basically. They service kind of people who do their own auto repairs. So people are online or trying to order parts that they need to fix their own cars or motorcycles or whatever from this company. And so you are going to be that customer service representative that directly interacts with those customers through email and chat. You'll have to help recommend products or resolve their inquiries and also do processing of the orders. So you are going to have to, if you already don't know, learn a little bit about parts. You might have to suggest like what part goes with what model of car they have. I know like Advanced Auto and AutoZone, if you walk in looking for a specific part for your car, they do this. They ask you like the make, model and stuff, and they have like a computer system. They can kind of look up what parts are compatible. So you will have to make part suggestions from time to time. So you are going to have to learn all the different software that used by the company to help navigate listings, locate customer information, and of course look up that data about the products for them. Now this only requires a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has strong grammar and typing skills, someone who can kind of navigate around a computer and use the internet and use a computer. Now if you have parts experience, that's a plus. It is not required though, and sadly they did list the sign-on bonus, but they did not list the actual hourly pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And if you don't mind phone work and being on the phone for the right pay, we have the company ParentSquare hiring. Now they only have 25 reviews, so please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They come highly rated out of those 25 reviews, though at a 4.2 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring a remote customer service representative. They're paying $25 to $28 an hour. It is full-time. They are hiring PST, MST, and Eastern Standard Time hours, but they are looking for somebody who has a flexibility to work some weekends. And ParentSquare is a company that's trying to change the way schools and parents communicate with each other every day. So they kind of create products and stuff to help empower educators and engage parents in the lives of all the students. And so you're basically just going to be doing a customer service for their product line, answering incoming emails, live chats, and phone calls, just resolving those product or service issues that the customer is having. And of course, while you're doing this, you're going to be taking detailed notes into their system, their computer system or their ticketing system, kind of putting in the information that the customer gave you, and then also detailing what information you gave back to them. So you're basically collecting and recording all this customer feedback and information. You might also have to do some product testing and develop support materials like FAQ section or like help articles or whatever that then can be given to the customers to help them help themselves kind of thing. No college degree is needed for this one, but they do kind of want somebody who has previous education type experience, somebody who has prior customer service experience. You can be proactivated, self-motivated, be a multitasker, kind of being on the phone, working in computer systems all at the same time. And again, that pay is $25 to $28 an hour. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.